Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1. Unit 3.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a pencil case. What's this? It's a pencil case.
Exercise 1. Listen and say.
Bag, bag, bag. Pen, pen, pen. Sharpener, sharpener, sharpener. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Pencil. Pencil case, pencil case.
Exercise 2. Listen and point.
It's a bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. It's a book. It's a book. It's a book. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. It's a pen. It's a pen. It's a pen. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. It's a sharpener. It's a sharpener. It's a sharpener. It's a ruler. It's a ruler. It's a ruler.
1. Listen and repeat.
Pen, pen, pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil.
Peter, Peter, Peter.
er, er, er.
Ruler, ruler, er.
Red, red, red.
Russia, Russia, Russia. Exercise 1. Look, trace and say.
pen, pen. Pencil, pencil.
Peter, Peter.
Ruler, ruler. Red, red.
Russia, Russia.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is 3. Sing and do.
1, 2, 3. Boys, stand up and count. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girls, stand up and count. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boys and girls all count. 2, 5.
Now it's playtime. Exercise 1. Match in color. Exercise 1. Count in color.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2. 2 rulers.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books. 1 bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 sharpeners. 1, 2, 3. 3 pens.